In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize Shared With Me in Google Drive. If your Shared With Me tab feels cluttered or overwhelming, these built-in filters and sorting tools will help you quickly surface exactly what you need. Start by opening Google Drive and heading to My Drive. Once you're in, look at the left sidebar and click Shared With Me. This view lists files and folders others have given you access to. Unlike items you own, you can't freely move most of these into your own folder structure, so organization here is all about filtering and sorting. At the top of the Shared With Me page, you'll see a row of filter options. Click Type to narrow things down by format. For example, switch to folders when you're looking for entire project folders, or choose documents, spreadsheets, presentations, or PDFs to zero in on a specific kind of file. This immediately trims the noise and groups similar content together. You can combine this with other filters to get even more precise. Next, click People. This filter is perfect when you remember who shared the file but not the file name. Start typing a person's name to filter everything they've shared with you. It's a fast way to gather all assets from a manager, client, or teammate in one place without scrolling. Now click Modified. This helps you prioritize work that's been updated recently. Use it to find files that may have new feedback, fresh data, or the latest versions. It's different from when a file was shared. Modified focuses on the most recent edits. Then click Source. This lets you focus on where the item originated, such as shared drives or connected apps. If your organization uses multiple spaces or integrations, Source helps you separate ongoing team resources from one-off links. After that, click Date Shared. Use this to bring the newest shares to the top when you're triaging recent incoming files, or flip it to find older items that might need archiving or follow-up. It's especially handy after a busy week of collaboration. Finally, click Sort. Choose the order that matches your current task. By name for tidy alphabetized lists, by last opened by me to jump back into active work, by last modified to see the freshest edits, or by date shared to process new items first. Sorting works together with your filters, so set your filters first and then sort for the perfect view. As you work, you can stack multiple filters, clear them to reset your view, and use the search bar if you remember a keyword. With these tools, Shared With Me becomes navigable and efficient, helping you find the right file at the right time without the clutter.